Hi everyone, in today's episode we are going to tidy up our driveway so our neighbors can park again. And I'm gonna do that with a wheelbarrow that I found in episode 2. I'm gonna grab the wheelbarrow and see what needs replacement. So for those of you who haven't seen that first little bit, I was able to pull out this wheelbarrow out of a rubbish bin. These really nice people were able just to give it to me. I saw them throw it away early and then I asked. But anyways, there's a couple of things wrong. The guy said the wheel is absolutely mounted, but I also saw there's just a little screw missing here. So I'm just gonna see. Try and pump it up first, put a new wheel on and put a new screw in, and then use it for however long and give it a new life. So as I was promised, that wheel is mounted. It looks like the tube itself is having a big hole. So I don't know if it'll be worth for me to try and replace that tube, but to do that anyways, I'll take the wheel out. Unfortunately, it looks like that the wheel that I bought has a bigger axle radius than the one that came out. So now either I have to go and buy a new axle, but then those fittings won't fit anymore, or I do take the tire off and just change both the tire and the tube into this one. Have this as a spare, so that's probably what I'm gonna do. This right here is what's wrong with the tube. I'll try my luck with toothbrushes so I don't damage what's in there. Let's go. Oh, there goes my toothbrush. Bit of 556. So I was able to put the wheel back in, but unfortunately I don't have a bolt, but I do have a screw. So I'm gonna try this and some zip ties instead. Yeah, that won't go anywhere for now. That's good. So finally, after maybe an hour, this wheelbarrow that was thrown out is now fully functional again. And I'm gonna use it to clean up our driveway, because I want our neighbors and friends to be able to park without having to finesse around this small gap here. So I'm gonna tidy this up and use this wheelbarrow to do so. Number 5. That's all. Fixing this wheelbarrow has been a successful mission. I like it. It will have a long life in front of it. Thank you so much for watching. This is all for today from Rubbish Redemption. I hope you enjoyed this video and I thank you for subscribing. See ya!